Hello guys, I'm showing you the damage after the tornado. So things broke down there. Not much happened here, but look at all these things broke. Blowing. Look at all the damage here. It was intense, this tornado. But it wasn't actually a tornado, it was actually like a really big windstorm. And I think it's still carrying on now. Look at that wind. But tornado passed. Well, it wasn't a tornado, but it was like a really big windstorm. Got to like 100 miles per hour. And them trees broke. That bucket was there last time, but now it's over there. That bucket was on the table there, but now it's here. All this is destroyed. So yeah, this is the damage after the tornado. The umbrella there. Yeah, bye guys. See you in the next I don't know, weather video, I don't know. But this damage after the tornado, it's done. Okay, bye guys.